Hey guys, good morning and good afternoon and good night, depending on where you are in the world. Wanted to start off today by wishing everyone a happy holiday coming up. Those who celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas. Those who celebrate Hanukkah, Happy Hanukkah. And those who celebrate Kwanzaa, Happy Kwanzaa. These are days where we look back. And after over 2 decades in this business, I'm an extremely fortunate individual. We have an edge. We have an objective, what I call an objective edge. What do I mean by that? Well, we can objectify what we do daily based on a methodology that is almost 100% purely objective on your entries. I don't know any other methodology that can proclaim that. Does that mean that every trade's a winner? Absolutely not. Does that mean that you're going to have trades that you're going to be able to stay in for longevity as far as the day trader is concerned? Absolutely. What makes this business so difficult for so many is the inability to hold a trade, number one. Number two, the fear of, oh my gosh, what's going to happen if I lose on this trade? But let's put number one where number one belongs. Most people in the industry are trading with very, very small accounts. You ask any brokerage firm, they'll tell you that everybody opens their accounts with 2,500, 5,000, 10,000, those types of numbers. And that's okay. But it's very, very, very difficult to try to sit there and substantiate a living on a $5,000 account and saying, well, I'm going to take 10% a day out of this account. I could say we have a great methodology. I'm not a miracle worker. Maybe for my own account I am, maybe for my own trading I am, but I can't push buttons for everyone else. If you're a very serious trader and you want to become the best trader you can be, come over to futurestradingcoach.com. I will personally spend a half hour with you, 30 minutes, talk to you. Just one-on-one, have a nice, friendly, jovial conversation. Find out what makes you tick. And I'll be very upfront and honest with you and tell you if this business, in my opinion, is for you. It's not enough just to be passionate about trading because the allure of all of the money that potentially can be made. Over 90% of all traders lose everything that they've ever put into the markets. So that would be a silly disclaimer to begin with. Most people lose. Most people lose everything that they put in. Most people chase the market. Most people fade the market. Most people use this market profile. None of these things work unless you know exactly why you're utilizing what you're using. And I know I'm maybe rambling a bit, but I don't do too many videos. I let Richard do a lot of the videos in the call room because I keep the DNA room where all of my students are. We keep it very, very, very private. And we keep it private because we have something special. And if you go to futurestradingcoach.com, you'll see plenty of video testimonials. And they're video testimonials because at least they're real. A lot different than having just John B. or Paul D. saying, Sam Goldberg, wow, what a great guy. Well, you know what? The reality is this. If you're an extremely disciplined person, and if you can afford to trade the markets, and there's some great companies out there as far as I'm concerned, there's companies out there who will fund you if you can pass their combines and their trading challenges. I think that's great. This methodology should get you to that place where you can pass those combines. Let me speak to you for a half hour, but you need to be extremely passionate, A, motivated, B, C, willing to do whatever it takes to become successful. If there's anyone right now who's telling you you can't do it, but yet you've been trying to do it for the last 3, 5, 10 years, contact me. I want to make you the best trader that you can be. That would make me very happy. Everyone have a great New Year and whatever holiday, as I said, that you celebrate. Once again, Futures Trading Coach, enjoy and please be safe.